Hello everyone and welcome to SOP Academy. In this video, we have three off-campus hiring updates from Capgemini, Accenture as well as Tech Mahindra. All the three companies are hiring in bulk. So first let's look at what is the hiring notification from Capgemini. Capgemini is hiring for the role of Service Desk, CIS, for two locations, that is Kolkata and Bangalore. All the 3-year graduates will be eligible from 2019, 2020 and 2021 batch. The package is going to be 2.5 LPA and you can apply till 10th February 11:59 p.m. Let us look at the eligibility criteria. So candidates must have completed any 3-year graduation. So you have done BSc, BCA, BCom, any 3-year graduation from 2019, 2020 and 2021. You are going to be eligible for this. The percentage criteria is going to be minimum 50% and above, and up to 2-year gap is allowed. Candidate must be open to relocate at any location and work in night shifts as well. Candidate must be available to join immediately, so joining will be given immediately. You should have good English written as well as verbal communication skills. Should be able to sign service level agreement, so there will be a service level agreement as well. Let us look at the assessment. Only shortlisted candidates will be invited for the assessment and selection process. Selection process will be online and candidates will be responsible for arranging required infrastructure. So they're hiring through Superset. You have few more days to apply. You can click on apply now. If you don't have an account on Superset, you can create one and then you can apply. The next company is Accenture. So Accenture is hiring for the role of associate software engineer. They're hiring through Elitmus platform. The package they're providing is 4.5 LPA. So the batch of 2020 and 2021 are going to be eligible. Let us look at other details. So all streams and branches of BE Tech are eligible, MEM Tech and MCA. So if you have done BE Tech, MEM Tech, MCA from any stream or any branch, you are going to be eligible. And if you have done MSc from CS and IT, then you are eligible. 2020 and 21 pass outs are eligible. No active backlogs during application or during onboarding. So you should clear all your backlogs first. Maximum 1-year gap in education post 10th will till completion of graduation. So 1 year of gap maximum will be allowed. Students must have Indian citizenship. Please note Bhutan and Nepal nationals can work in India without need for obtaining a work visa. Candidates should not have appeared for Accenture recruitment process in the last 3 months. So if you haven't applied in the last 3 months, then only you are eligible. Candidate graduated in 2020-21 but pursuing above master's degree, any PG course are not eligible. So if you are still completing your master's or PG, then you are not eligible. Work experience required is 0 to 11 months. So a fresher up to 11-month experience can also apply. Open to all colleges in India offering above academic courses. So any college you are from, you can apply. Candidates need to have a valid PAN card. Minor PAN card will not be valid. So it is related to developing, designing and maintaining technologies. So normally they hire for associate software engineer role. So this time they're hiring through Elitmus. You have to click on login to apply and you can apply. You have to create your account first if you don't have an account on Elitmus. If you have an account, you can directly log in and apply. And the third company is Tech Mahindra. Tech Mahindra is hiring for the role of associate software engineer. They are hiring through MCAT platform. They are going to give you joining very fast. You can see joining will be given this month itself, 21st to 25th of February, and interviews will be held in February itself. So what you have to do is first give a test or MCAT. If you have a score in MCAT already, then you can just click on apply. Otherwise, if you are interested in working in Tech Mahindra, then you can give MCAT test and then you can apply after you get the scores. Let us look at the eligibility criteria. So from 2019, 2020 and 2021 batches are eligible. The location is going to be Indore. So candidates from Indore and cities around will be given more preference. So BE Tech, MCA are eligible. MSc from computer science are eligible. And for BE Tech, these branches going to eligible: computer science, IT, computer engineering, electronics and telecommunication, electronics and communication, electrical and electronics. The percentage criteria is minimum 60% in 10th and 12th and diploma, and minimum 58% in graduation and post graduation. 1 year of academic gap is allowed. There will be a bond for 2 years and the amount is going to be 1 lakh rupees. Roles and responsibilities are L1 support engineer. Annual compensation. So for the first 3 months you will be on probation, that is in training. Your CTC is going to be 2.6 LPA. After the 3 months your probation will be complete and your CTC will be revised to 3.25 LPA. Work shift is going to be rotational, and you will directly have an interview. So you should have a MCAT score, then after that they will directly take your interviews. So this was the three companies. All three are hiring in bulk, and the dates are going to be closed very soon. So apply as soon as possible. So that is all for this video. See you soon in the next video.